Welcome to our review of the Logitech ERGO K860 wireless ergonomic keyboard. Improved typing posture. Type more naturally with a curved, split keyframe and reduce muscle strain on your wrists and forearms thanks to the sloping keyboard design. Pillowed wrist rest. Curved wrist rest with memory foam layer offers typing comfort with 54% more wrist support, 25% less wrist bending compared to standard keyboard without palm rest. 3 layers of comfort. It comes with 3 separate layers. Fabric with stain resistant, easy clean coating. Support high density foam for a firm feel. Comfort memory foam for sustained comfort. Check out the link in the description to view more details.